Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNTA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely crazy movement today. Even on Thursday, I mean, to think that on Thursday the price was actually right there, and now all of a sudden the price is all the way up here. But today, what really separated it from Thursday, today of course being Friday when I record this, is just gigantic volume. I mean, well above average volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $13.25. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $13.25, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back, looking at things from more so a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being quantified as the move, just keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 13.25, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? Nothing complicated here other than the fact that the party stopped today up there at $14.60. So $14.60 will be public enemy number one next week. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement, great volume, a lot of momentum in this one. So it's just really a question of can the bulls continue to build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.